In this video, I'll be showing you how to zoom in or zoom out in CapCut PC. If you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.
Now it's actually very easy to go ahead and do this, but obviously the first thing you want to do is open up your CapCut application. Now you can do this on an existing project, or you can do this on a project that is completely new and you want to start fresh on something. Now once you're here, open up the project you want. So I'm going to open up this one right here, and it shows a little Fortnite project. Now if I want to go ahead and zoom in, what I can do is just make sure to highlight whatever clip you want to do this with on your timeline. So I'm highlighting this one right here. And then on the top right, I'm going to see transform under basic. And I can just scale that up and down. So I can scale it and zoom in. And then I can just literally use my mouse, hold down and zoom in wherever I want. Or I can also zoom out if I want to as well. If I want to do like, different windows or anything like that. Put one here, sort of thing. So yeah, there's so many different things and ways you could go about doing this. And obviously on the top right, it's going to show your scale. Then obviously you can change your position here and everything as well. But yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe and check out all our other tutorials on the channel as well.